Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom music using AI. Okay, to create music guys, I recommend you to use this website, suno.com. And after you visited this website, you can sign up to this website with your Google account, and then you'll be able to create a music with AI. Okay, here we'll have two options, simple one or custom, and you can try simple if you just want to create like background music or simple song, or you can go to the custom, and then here you can add your own lyrics, and then you can choose the styles. And for me, I'm just going to create an instrumental, so I'm going to activate the instrumental here, and then you can enter the style tags, and I'm going to choose, for example, pop, and then acoustic, and charm, and classical. Okay, and this is for the advanced option, but I'm just going to skip this one, and then you can enter the song title, and after that you can click on create to create the music. Okay, and then we just need to wait for a moment. Okay, and now the music is ready, but two of them are still loading, and I'm going to play this one. And if you want to download the music, you can click on this three dots, and then you're going to click on download here, and I'm going to download the MP3 and click on download anyway. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create custom music with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.